So,
enlighten us? It says that their decision is final, it's executory, which is why the Senate is voting this way, and yet it accepted the MR and directed the VP to comment. It seems
let's be
contradictory.
accurate. Let's be accurate. The Supreme Court did not say that the decision is final. They just said it is executory.
Okay.
The fact that they accepted the MR and they're acting on the MR, that's basic. It's the right of any aggrieved party or a losing party to seek for a reconsideration, to give the court a chance to correct itself if and when it is in error.
But they said immediately, attorney, immediately executory, and then they repeated it again as they asked for the replies and the comments.
There's a difference between finality and immediate executory.
Okay.
I give you a simple example. No? In injecting cases, it is immediately executory, and some administrative cases, it's immediately executory, but the court can eventually decide in the final decision that it is in favor of the other party. So they just undo what was done.
Do you want to use a metaphor kagaya ng mga nanliligaw or yung mga sinaing na hindi nahilaw?
Basketball.
Para mas maintindihan ng ating, alam mo, kunyari hindi kami masyadong, it's hard, it's difficult to go through all these legalese.
That's
baka meron
correct.
kayo, yung executory na yan, meron ba kayong naiisip?
But it's very difficult, and I would rather not do that, no, to make because it will not add to the clarity.
Okay.
It will further confuse our people. Yung mga ikaw na sinaing, yung panliligaw, it's cute. It may be an attempt to address address the massa or those who don't understand legalese, but I don't think it will add to the clarity. So I will not even attempt to.
So yung sinabi ni Senator Marcoleta medyo nakagulo pa sa tingin ninyo?
Yes, makakagulo pa. So I think now we wait for what the Supreme Court will do. Maganda nga na pinag-uusapan sa Senado and they're acting on it as the Senate. So we'll have to respect whatever the decision is. Binoto natin mga yan, no? Or kung yung binoto natin hindi naman nanalo, pasensya tayo. So again, the ball goes back to the Supreme Court ngayon kasi may MR. So tingnan natin, let's see what the Supreme Court will do with the MR.